guys, today we have Katie Dunlop of Love Sweat Fitness here to take us through a 5-minute standing abs routine.
Yes, these are my favorite workouts. I have a ton of them on my channel because in just 5 minutes, you're gonna get a super fast and effective abs workout. I know you're gonna feel the burn, so let's get started. All right, we got 30 seconds on this left leg. Okay. Hands are gonna come behind the head, standing bicycle. You're gonna lift and twist, rotate, tap it down. Lift and tap, lift and tap. So you can take this slow to start. I want your posture nice and tall. This is a little bar-inspired move. I love bringing these ones in because you really work on that posture. You don't have to be on the floor crunching, but you're gonna feel it in those lower abs. Twist.
Oh yeah, those obliques getting that rotation. Right? I feel that.
All right, keep going. We have a few more seconds on this side, and we're gonna switch right into the opposite. 2 more seconds. Ready? Let's switch it out and twist. Try to pop that right knee open a little bit. Ooh. Keep it going.
Ooh, now we're speeding it up a little bit here, huh?
Yeah, pick up that pace. Once you have like that movement down, just gonna lift and twist. Keep it going.
I like how you're keeping your elbows really wide open too.
Yeah, so important. It's really gonna help you with that posture so you don't crunch your neck here. A few more seconds. And last one. All right, so we're gonna lean down to the side. Hands are gonna come in front. Lift up that leg and squeeze. You're gonna feel that love handle like, whoa, right? Woo.
Oh yeah, and the glutes get in there. Oh yeah.
You get a little extra booty work.
Okay.
Super great. Everyone loves some extra booty. Down, up, and kick. If you need a little modification here too, you can ditch the lunge and just lift the leg. Oh yeah. Okay. Otherwise, get nice and deep.
My cardio is already spiking right now.
Your heart rate's like, hello. To burn even more calories here. A few more. Last one on this side. Switch straight into the opposite side, right? Get low and lift. Don't want to kick down. Oh my God. And up. See, when you're doing this with friends, you just have to be careful. Yeah. And make sure you have your space.
The balance is tough too here.
It is. So you're really adding to this movement, getting more than just those abs, working all your muscle groups. Get low and squeeze.
Obliques are on fire right now. Oh, I love
really focusing on that tiny little squeeze at the top. We have high knees after this for 30 seconds. Ready? High knees, let's go. Okay.
This is always a good one, right?
It is. It's a good little break. Sort of a break.
Break for Katie.
A break for those obliques. It's gonna target the lower abs as you bring those knees up.
Yep. And when you're breathing heavier, you're working your core.
It's true.
Right?
Absolutely.
Everything.
And then you try to talk. So good. All right. 5 more seconds.
Working out with a friend.
It's true. It makes it so much more fun. And stop. Poste rotations. Knees come straight in front. Tap it down. You're gonna twist and rotate and tap.
Oh yeah.
So you can follow your gaze or just keep it out in front. Tap.
These are very dancer-like moves.
It is. So bar boot camp's kind of my jam.
I like that.
I have a lot of those videos on my channel. And if you haven't tried bar, it's so great because it really forces you to focus on those tiny little muscles.
Yep.
Tap.
And I like how you spike my heart rate.
Let's switch sides,
right? And then you bring the move down, but it's still super intense and focused in on the core.
Yeah, exactly. Squeeze the belly button as you lift that knee. And twist.
And rotation is so good.
It is.
For those abs, and all these moves are so twisty for those obliques.
Yep, and I love that because it really works on cinching your waistline in, right? Giving you those nice curves.
Yep.
And lift. Last one. Now we're gonna go to wood choppers. So you're gonna lunge down again and lift it up. Bring it down and exhale as you lift. Bring those arms over to the left. Exhale, good.
Oh yeah.
You feeling that one?
Oh yeah.
This one like pulls across your entire core, every muscle. And if you're at home and you wanna take this up a little bit heavier, grab a weight.
Right.
It's really gonna add to it. But the bonus here, switching sides, lunge to the left and up, is that you can do this anywhere.
Yep.
You don't need equipment. You don't need a lot of space.
Middle of a walk.
Yeah.
If you just kind of stop in at a light, just get in a couple and impress your friends driving by.
You have to be okay just acting crazy anywhere, right? Airports, those are my favorite.
Oh yeah. Woo.
Okay, lift, down. Few more. Last one. Final move, grand plie jack. So heels and toes out. Sit low in a squat, and you're gonna exhale, come up, and bring it back. So those heels stay in the whole time.
Oh.
You can stay slower here at this pace, or if you want to get real crazy, go a little faster. Whew.
Oh my goodness.
Final little peak for that heart rate. Come on. You got it, Anna.
I'm gonna work on my dancer
Exhale.
moves now.
5 more seconds. 3, 2, and done.
Oh my goodness, that was amazing. This is a real deal. You're gonna get those abs for sure. See you guys next time.
Bye, you guys.